Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Ford Expedition Limited. Comes equipped with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and cooled seats, as well as a panoramic sunroof, drive mode selector, third row seating, and so much more. Come check it out. And onto the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling coupled with storage at the bottom. Equipped with a Bang & Olufsen sound system. You got the power locks, mirrors and windows with your seat memory and wood and chrome accents. You got these running boards here. These power adjustable, heated and ventilated seats, super comfortable. And left side will be your vents as well as your power lift gate and lighting control with power adjustable pedals. Left side here are going to be your odometer cluster control as well as your cruise and forward gap adjuster, and the right side being your volume control. So you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip and fuel, as well as your gauge view, towing, off-road status for the pitch and roll, and much more. It's going to be push to start. You got your integrated brake controller as well as backup, and onto the infotainment. It comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got navigation included here with downloadable apps, and as well as you can access all your climate, and as well as 911 assist and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as ambient lighting. Below will be your tri-zone climate control here, and as well as a CD disc changer. You got the wireless charging pad with 2 USB ports, little button shifter there with your drive mode selector, and as well as automatic park assist, and center console with lots of extra storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, wood and chrome across with the chrome Bang & Olufsen sound system, and as well as you can access reading lamps as well as your panoramic sunroof here. So you're going to these 22-inch chrome aluminum wheels on Goodyear Eagle Sport tires with the paint match mirror caps and chrome keyless entry door handles. You got a roof rack up top, deep tint rear glass in the back here. You got the power lift gate. And you got the power folding third row, 60/40 split. You can put them down here, as you can see. This was extra 12 volt and extra storage down below here. It's a pretty spacious rear. And more onto the rear interior. Again, more paneling and storage next to speakers. And you got the built-in cup holder with the power window. Pop from the third row here. So you got the bench seat with cup holders and USB ports on each side, and as well as they recline. Go forward and back. Pretty cool for that little extra leg room. Up here in the second row, of course, you got these captain seats that recline back with lots of extra leg room, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear climate controls, heated seating, as well as an AC wall port, and 2 USB ports. And you got the lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, that panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2018 Ford Expedition Limited, equipped with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, as well as third row seating, drive mode selector, integrated brake controller, panoramic sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope to subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.